Hi, Belinda from Mum Central, and we're in my bathroom today, of all places, but it's very good reason why, because I'm going to show you how this stuff, which is called Co, you may know it as EcoWorks, how it's going to help us clean our bathrooms with little effort and get amazing results. Now, it's an amazing all-round cleaner I've used right around my house, but today we're going to do tiles and get the soap scum off my glass. We're going to do my tapware, make that shiny sparkle, and we're going to use this special grout cleaner to get in and clean my grout. Plus, this is their Diamondback sponge, and that's going to actually get this surface rust off as well. So we're going to be sparkling in no time with little effort, and that's more time back for you. So let's get to it. Okay, so a few fundamentals. When we're using the Co, we use their special microfiber cloths. So they have white ones, which are for glass and porcelain, and they have a green one, which is for other surfaces as well. We've got the Diamondback sponge, which is really important for when we want a little bit of an abrasive finish. Never use it on stainless, and always do a little spot test first, but it is really great and it works. And then of course we've got this, which is their special grout cleaner to get in, and it's really ergonomically well designed because you can really get some elbow grease behind it. So the first thing we need to do is make sure all of our surfaces are dry, because that gets it works most effectively on it. Now I'm going to shut my door and I'm going to spray the glass. So we get the atomizer bottle that comes with your pack, and we just give it a good spray. Make sure we're coating that really well. It actually is used quite sparingly because the atomizer is different to a normal spray bottle. And just let that set for a couple of minutes. Let it emulsify away all the soap scum, the grime, and we'll hit it with our microfiber cloth. All right, our 2 minutes are up. It's time to hit our white microfiber cloth with the screen. Let's see how we go. Oh, you can see it's coming up nicely too. Say goodbye to that soap scum. And obviously you may need to reapply a second time just to kind of let it go, to take that surface scum off. But it looks great. Oh, my goodness. I can see my reflection again. Put a bit of elbow grease in and it comes off. Don't forget to do your shower frames too. So clean, look at that. All the black residue, always a good sign, you're getting rid of the dirt. Next we're going to spray and do the soap rack and our taps, and let it sit for a couple of minutes. Okay, so we've let the Co sit on the taps for a while. Couple of minutes, and now it's time to polish it off. It's amazing what comes off. I actually like having a white sponge. You can really have a look at that. Would not have expected that off my taps. Now the soap. Beautiful. So now we're going to get stuck into the grout using this, which is the Co grout cleaner. It's got a beautiful handle, you get a really good grip. And we're going to be cleaning up all of this grout. Give it a spray, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then get scrubbing. Wow, white grout. That was easy. Now you may have seen it around as EcoWorks. It's just been rebranded, and it's probably one of my favorite cleaning products. There's no harmful chemicals, there's no terrible fumes. It's not gonna make your eyes water, and it's not gonna make you cough and sneeze. It is absolutely a game changer for my household. That's filthy. So there you have it, my beautifully new, clean, sparkling shower, and it's faster than you think. I think the thing that really surprised me was in such a confined space, I don't have any fumes, I can't smell a thing. The soap scum's gone, it's just been really pleasant to use, and it cuts through the grime. So give it a go, we've got an awesome offer. Be sure to check out Co, it is the real deal.